Let's talk about the general steps of changing your pump's oil. Some pumps are different. Some of them have the same pump drain location. The best place to look for is going to be near the rear of the pump. So you want to change your pump's oil after the first 50 hours that you've purchased the pump, and then every 500 hours of operating use after that. The recommended oil to use would be suggested in your owner's manual. So for this pump, we're going to use an open-ended wrench. We're going to use the funnel, and then we're going to go ahead and drain the oil. Okay, so we're going to start with the open-ended wrench on the closed side and go counterclockwise. Then we're going to have our funnel ready to catch the oil. To relieve some of the air out of the pump to allow the flow, we're going to go ahead and back off the dipstick on top of the pump. Be prepared for runoff around the pump. That is normal. When you're finished draining, inspect the plug to make sure that if there's an O-ring at the end of the plug, that it's in good condition, so where it won't leak. So we're going to go ahead and add the drain plug back to the pump. We will tighten with the open-ended wrench, clockwise. Now the pump is ready to have oil added to it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the pump manufacturer's suggested oil for this pump. We're going to go ahead and open like so. You want to make sure that when you're pouring the oil, that this shape right here is going into the pump, towards the pump. So I'm going to add it this way so there's enough air getting to the oil to allow it to go through to the pump. So we're going to go ahead and add the pump oil to the pump. It could take more than a quart of oil depending on the pump's manufacturer's specifications. All right, then we're finished. We remove the funnel, add the dipstick, and you're all set.